This is going to be a super quick video for my fellow wood nerds on YouTube. We keep getting these disposable pallets at work, and this wood really stands out compared to the others. It almost feels wrong to throw it away. But I've been thinking about saving some of it for a future project, but before I do that I need your help. Does anyone know what type of wood this is? And more importantly, is it actually safe to use for woodworking projects? I know some pallet wood can be chemically treated, so I'd rather ask people who actually know this stuff before I start building anything with it. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I'm curious what you would build if you had this type of wood. So spam the comments, and I'll see you in the next one, and I promise you that it will be longer than this one.